Okay guys, today's Mega Minute is going to feature the Schefflera. It's known as the Queensland umbrella tree, also known as the octopus tree, scientific name being Schefflera actinophylla. Now these trees are angiosperms, alright, they belong to the plant kingdom of flower-bearing trees, and they produce a seed that is considered epiphytic. Alright, so these can be birthed into a host plant and grow from that host plant, sort of like ficus trees have the ability to, particularly ficus trees, I mean like fig trees. So these trees are basically native to Australia, hence the name Queensland umbrella tree, and they were introduced into Florida in the 1920s as an ornamental. Okay, so they are very beautiful trees. They can grow pretty quickly, and they grow up to about 40 to 50 feet tall. All right, so they've subsequently made their way to the Bahamas, and basically we see these all over now. Birds and insects do a very good job of pollinating and allowing these trees to take wings and spread, no pun intended. All right, see you next time, guys.